Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a moderate risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of east central Iowa, far northeastern corner of Missouri, northern Illinois, and far southern Wisconsin. Cities in today's moderate risk include Chicago, Illinois, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, and Joliet, Illinois. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses northern Missouri, central Iowa, central Illinois, central Wisconsin, northern Indiana, and most of Michigan. Cities in today's enhanced include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And there are two yellow areas for today. Alright? The yellows are the slight risk areas. Alright, the yellows are the slight risk areas, okay? By the way, one of the slight risk areas includes my area. Alright? And the dark green is the marginal risk area. Cities in today's slights include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Baltimore, Maryland. And cities in today's marginal include Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 15% chance of tornadoes today. 15% chance of tornadoes today covering extreme northeastern corner of Missouri, southeastern Iowa, and northern Illinois. Cities in the 15% tornado risk area today include Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and Peoria, Illinois. There is a 10% tornado risk area today covering northeastern Missouri, parts of Iowa, a little bit of Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and far northwestern corner of Indiana. Alright? Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Madison, Wisconsin, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Gary, Indiana, and Kenosha, Wisconsin. Alright? Areas in the brown have a 5% tornado risk area today, and the dark green is the 2% tornado risk. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Des Moines, Iowa, Lansing, Michigan, and Flint, Michigan. And the 2% includes Detroit, Michigan, Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Now, if you look at it, we have the solid line area and the black dashed area. All right, the solid line area is the highest potential for violent tornadoes of EF3 or stronger today. All right, the solid line area is the highest potential for violent tornadoes of EF3 or stronger today, and the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF2 tornadoes or stronger. All right. And areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0 or EF1. Okay? Cities in the solid line area today include Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, and Elgin, Illinois. And the black dashed includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Aurora, Illinois. Excuse me. Go to the wind threat for today. There is a 60% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering southeastern Iowa, far northeastern corner of Missouri, far southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. The 60% wind risk today includes Chicago, Illinois, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, and Joliet, Illinois. There is a 45% chance of damage wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering parts of Iowa, a little bit of Missouri, a little bit of Illinois, a little bit of Wisconsin, northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Michigan. The 45% wind risk area, really, The 45% wind risk area today includes Cedar Rapids, Iowa, South Bend, Indiana, Gary, Indiana, Racine, Wisconsin, and Hammond, Indiana. Areas in the red. There are 2 red areas for today. The red areas are the 30% wind risk areas for today, which, by the way, includes my area. Alright? The yellow is the 15%. The yellow is the 15% wind risk areas, and the brown is the 5% wind risk. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Washington, D.C., and Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 15% includes New York, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. And the 5% includes Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio. If you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for thunderstorm wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. And the black dashed includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Des Moines, Iowa. And now for the hail threat for today. Areas in the yellow have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. Alright? The yellow area is the 15% hail risk area for today. Alright? And there are 2 brown areas. The brown areas are the 5%. The brown areas are the 5% hail risk areas. Alright? The brown is the 5%, which, by the way, includes my area. Alright? Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. And the 5% includes New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Indianapolis, Indiana, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. If you notice, there's a black dashed area here. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? The black dashed is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger. Okay? Areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright, the black dashed includes Chicago, Illinois, Kansas City, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Aurora, Illinois. In summary, widespread severe thunderstorms are expected across parts of the Midwest and Great Lakes region, including Iowa, northern Missouri, northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin to lower Michigan, and northern Indiana. This includes the potential for widespread intense damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes, some of which may be strong. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in. But especially be safe in these areas, because this is a very serious threat for severe weather today. This is very serious, so have a way to get your warnings today and tonight. Have a way to get your warnings today and tonight. Stay safe. I'm praying for you guys in these areas, and I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.